Investing in a mutual fund is an easy way to diversify your portfolio and gain access to a wide range of different types of investments. Mutual funds are also a great way for investors to invest on their own without the help of an advisor. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're investing in a basket of different securities, which can include stocks, bonds, and other assets. This diversification helps to reduce risk and can lead to higher returns over time. Mutual funds also offer access to a wide range of different types of investments. If you're looking to invest in international stocks or bonds, for example, you can do so through a mutual fund. This diversification can help you achieve your financial goals. Mutual funds are also easy to invest in on your own. You can find plenty of information about mutual funds online or from your financial advisor. And because they're so popular, there are many different types of mutual funds available, so you can find one that fits your investment strategy. There are many reasons to consider investing in a mutual fund, but 3 stand out as particularly compelling: diversification, ease of investment, and accessibility for beginners. 1. Diversifying your portfolio. One of the most important aspects of investing is diversification, which is the process of spreading your money across a range of different investments in order to mitigate risk. When you invest in a mutual fund, you are instantly diversified because the fund itself is spread across a range of different investments. This means that if one particular investment within the fund performs poorly, it is unlikely to have a major impact on the overall performance of the fund. 2. Accessing a wide range of different types of investments. Another reason to consider investing in a mutual fund is that it gives you access to a wide range of different types of investments. For example, there are funds that focus on stocks, bonds, and even real estate. This means that you can choose a fund that aligns with your particular investment goals. 3. Easily investing on your own. Investing in a mutual fund is also very easy to do on your own. There are numerous online platforms that allow you to set up an account and begin investing with just a few clicks. This makes mutual funds an ideal option for those who want to start investing but don't want to put in a lot of time or effort to do so. A mutual fund is a professionally managed investment fund that pools money from many investors to purchase a variety of securities. Mutual funds are a great way to diversify your portfolio and access a wide range of different types of investments. They are also great for beginners because they are easy to invest in and provide professional management. Thank you for watching my video.